Wing Chun has three hand forms: Siu Lim Tao, Chum Kyu, Bu Ji. And the three hand forms have a relationship to each other because they're part of the same system. They're not just a collection of techniques, here's Tiger style and this from Drunken style and this, they're all together. So there's a relationship between those three forms that I want to share, and not everybody has this kind of knowledge of how the system's organized, so I wanted to take a quick minute and share it. And in Siu Lim Tao, as you know, we're going to put our hand on center. Right? There's our hand's on center. So Siu Lim Tao teaches us to learn the center. Chum Kyu, once we've learned the center, Chum Kyu teaches us to move that center. We've got center, now we're doing our forms. Here's center. We're going to move those forms along a line. Moving center. Learn the center, move the center. What's going to happen in the third form is the emergency techniques, as you all know. But kind of more interestingly is you can consider that to be recover the center when you've lost it. So we've got learn the center, move the center, recover the center. They all fit nicely together as a full package, as a full martial package within this system. Okay, one way to look at how the systems, how the forms interrelate within the system. And there's a bunch of these connections, but I thought this was an interesting one that I'd spend a minute and share with you. That's all I wanted to say about the three hand forms relationship for this lesson. Once again, I thank you all for watching. I look forward to seeing you again. Until then, bye for now.